Hello everyone, this is Giselle from Listaso. Welcome back to another video. Today we will review backoffice's item storage and give you the best tips to boost your business's efficiency and productivity. So let's get started by logging into backoffice. Keep in mind, any changes you make in item storage will sync automatically with your inventory information, which you can take advantage of during your picking process. So let's go to the left side of your screen to our main menu and click on All Services. Under Warehouse Management, go to Item Storage. Now in our item storage screen, you're going to go to the blank below item storage to view our already existing storage types. Under the most concurrent types used in our system are groceries, frozen, refrigerated. So this time we're going to work on one of these already existing types of storage. However, before that, I'm going to show you how to create a new storage. So click on the Tools green button right beside the item storage blank. And under item storage, you're not going to select any of the already existing ones because you're going to create a new one just now. So click on NA. And under description, write down the name for your new storage. Check on active and click on the green button save when you're ready. Now let's go back to the blank below item storage. And as you can see, the new storage you created is right here. And if you click on it, you can find a list of all your potential products that you can start adding to this new storage type. However, this time we're going to select a different storage. For example, groceries. And the procedure you're going to follow to add products to either a new storage you just created or to an already existing storage is essentially the same. So we're going to work with an already existing storage. I'm going to go to page number 10 because this is where I'm going to find the products that I think best fit into this storage. And I'm going to go selecting them one by one. Now when you're finished selecting all your products, you're going to scroll all the way up and click on Assign Storage. This is how you're going to add all your products to the storage you selected, and you should know that by the little window popping up on the right side of your screen reading Updated Products. So, to look up for your products in a faster and more specific way, you can use a search blank on the right side of your computer too, and you can look them up by item code, UPC code, their name, price, category, and of course, storage. So this time we're going to look them up by the storage that we just selected, which is groceries, and you are going to find all the products that you just selected to fall under this type of storage. You can also filter your searches by your products as categories, item storages, or description, which in other words is your products' names. So for example, if we selected the wine category and we click on search right beside filters, we're going to find all the products that fall under this type of category. We're going to look for a specific storage, which could be medical. We click on search and we're going to find the list of products that fall under this type of storage, as you can see. So by assigning item storage to your products, you can decrease picking times and assign specific pickers to different areas of your warehouse. Efficiency in warehouse storage is essential in order to keep a steady productivity flow as well as a proper organization of the stocks. So I hope this video was useful to you and that you are now able to use Listaso's item storage feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.